I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. In this video we're going to be talking about primers, predominantly the Pallmann range of primers for use for wooden floors. We'll just run through the benefits and the reasons you'll use a primer. So the first one is acting as a barrier. So you will act as a barrier between the top coat and your timber, especially if there's resins and stuff like that in there. Your second one is for colour. So a lot of different primers will offer colour enhancement or toning down the colour of the timber. We've also got to stop side bonding and panelisation. So if you use a lacquer without a primer, you've got more chance of it side bonding, which is where the lacquer is getting in between the gaps of the floorboards, sticking them together. And in the different seasons when they're expanding, contracting, those two won't, and you'll have huge gaps everywhere else. The other thing is adhesion, so it's going to adhere your top coat to the wooden floor, acting as a chemical bond as well as a mechanical bond. So we'll firstly run through these differently, giving you the benefits and what you'd use them with. We'll start with the Pallmann Pallex 325, which is Ultimate Floor Care's bestseller, the Pallmann Pallex 325. So this is a water-based primer, predominantly used with Pallex 96 and Pallex 98. It's your most simplistic one, used with the water-based roller sleeves, used again with Pallex 96 or 98. It can be used with Pallex Pure or Pallex Zero, but this will darken your timber slightly and giving you the rest of the benefits that a primer would do. So that's Pallmann Pallex 325. That will cover approximately 50 square metres if you're using the correct roller. The next up we have is the Pallmann All Base. So the Pallmann All Base is a solvent-based primer. Reason for this one is two reasons. We've got a colour enhancement, so this will really darken the timber. You can also apply two coats if you want to enhance the colour of the timber or darken it even more. It can also be used on tropical timber. Now, because of the solvents in it, it really acts like a barrier for your top coat and your timber, something like a teak. This stuff will be brilliant for. It is a fast dryer and it is solvent, so it does smell a bit, but sometimes you need to use this on tropical timbers where you can't use things like your Pallmann 325. Next I'm going to talk about is the Pallex 333. So this one here is an oil primer, so you would trowel this on the same way you would your Magic Oil range. Benefits of this one is it's a solvent-free two-component product. You can mix your Pallmann colour concentrate with it, so you can use this to actually stain the floor and then put your top coat on top. It works great with tropical timbers as well, so this sort of lives in the same family as the All Base, but this is a solvent-free version of it. It can give you your oiled, enhanced look as well as putting your top coat on, so you get a bit of the best of both worlds really with this product here. It comes in 1 litres and it will cover approximately 16 to 20 square metres per 1 litre. Next thing we're going to talk about is the Pallex 330 range. So in the Pallex 330 we have two different options. We have the Pallex Pure and we have the Pallex 330 White. So these specific ones are pigmented primers, so they're used to tone down the colours in the timber. So for instance, if you use the Pallex 330 White, if you're using it specifically on pine, this will it will tone down the dark brown and orange pungent looks in it and just give it that white pigmented look. Great working on oak as well. If you don't want that really dark timber, you want that Scandinavian look, this will work really well. With the Pallex 330 White, you can use it with any topical coat, so Pallex 96 and 98. The only thing with putting Pallex 96 and Pallex 98 is it will slightly darken the timber, so it works really well with something like Pallex Pure or Pallex Zero, giving you that ultra matte look. The same with the Pallex 330 Pure. This one I would recommend highly using with the Pallex Pure as your primer, so you're going to be putting the Pure primer down and then you're going to be putting the Pure top coat down. So there's a run through of the primers that Pallmann offer. Us here at Ultimate Floor Care, we keep a decent stock of all of these, so if you ever hit a floor where you're not sure of which primer to use, just drop us a message on our technical support line and we'll always be there to help. Thanks very much.